To add fingerprint on Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, we need to open Settings. Next, we're gonna find and choose Security and Privacy. After that, we want to go to Device Unlock, and you need to have a screen lock password set up before you can actually set up a fingerprint sensor. So if you don't have a password yet, go to screen lock and set up a password. And then you're gonna go to Fingerprint, enter your screen lock password, and then proceed. Now we have the information about the fingerprint unlock, so we need to scroll down and choose I agree. Then over here press start, and you should be able to find the sensor over here. So now we need to touch with our finger on the display where we have the fingerprint icon. So just touch and then lift, and just keep doing that and try to do that from different angles. There we go. Of course, we need to do that in order to make sure that later on in the future we don't have any issues with unlocking our phone. And follow these this graphic information over here as well. So right now we should be able to touch the sensor with the middle of our finger. Now we have to tilt our finger and touch with the tip of our finger. So let's do that. Let's try to do that from different angles as well. There we go. And just keep doing that. Now we can turn finger and touch with the left edge. So let's do this. And also we're gonna try to do that from different angles. Then we have the right edge. So something like this. And there we go, we are done. Now besides that, we can add another fingerprint if you want to. So you can scan multiple fingers and add them to your phone. Or you can scan one finger multiple times if you want to improve the sensor for just one finger. And we can press down in the bottom right corner as well. Now you can also see the option that allows you to set up a face unlock if you want to, then you can proceed to do that. But in our case, we're just gonna set up the fingerprint sensor. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.